LeBron on the show with LeBron on HBO, and there's some interaction on social media after the trade. Have you, or will you, kind of pick his brain about?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I asked him if I could borrow the house, but he says it's too big for me to stay there by myself. So I was just, trying to get, my bearings straight and see what's what. This is his home. So he gave me a little bit of advice every, here and there. He just said, "You're gonna love it." He was like, "You're gonna love Cleveland." I was like, "I can't wait." And that's like my idol. So it's like, this is the person I looked up to the most. And that's my guy. And like to see what he did to bring a championship here. I just want to be able to do that same thing.